It's been a long time, but I'm back. My name is Carte, and I will show you my income from stock photography for the month of December 2023. I hope to start regularly uploading my videos again. So let's dive into the summary of all agencies, starting as usual with the lowest earner. We start with 123RF. One close-up photo of an old rusty metal rim was sold for 22 cents. It was the only one photo sold in December. Wirestock. Here as well just one photo was sold. A picture of green Granny Smith apples in wooden crates prepared for sale. I haven't uploaded anything new on Wirestock for a long time. I currently have around 45 assets in total, and once in a while, 1 or 2 photos are downloaded. This month, the earnings were 52 cents. Dreamstime. Similarly, only one photo was sold this month. It was a picture of my wife, exhausted and stretching during a hike to the top of a mountain. The single download brought in 55 cents. Depositphotos. This month, 2 photos were sold. First one, photo of solar panel installed on a greenhouse for 25 cents. This photo is very popular across all stock agencies and has sold around 300 times in total. The second one, a logo of the International Federation of Association Football, FIFA, sold for 30 cents. In total, Depositphotos brought in 50 cents this month. Point 5. This month, one video was sold for $15.60. It was a panoramic view of the surrounding mountains in Grenoble and the Isère River on a sunny day. This was one of the first videos I sold from my trip to that location. Point 5 doesn't regularly generate income for me. This month earnings of $15.60 were a pleasant surprise to end 2023. Motion Array. I've noticed that many other creators perform very well on this platform, with monthly earnings ranging from $30 to $100. For me, it's usually between $5 and $10. However, this month was different, while I'm still not sure how they calculated payments for contributors, and it seems no one really knows. I estimated earnings of around $10, but instead it came to $21. After exceeding the $50 payout threshold, which I accumulated over several months, $55 was transferred to my PayPal account. Some of the more frequently downloaded videos include a drone shot of a dam and hydroelectric power station on the Loire River and the panoramic view of the Alps with the Alpe d'Huez ski resort. This month, Motion Array earnings totaled $21. Shutterstock. As shown in the attached image, Shutterstock's earnings weren't particularly high. Many days saw no downloads, and on others, only a single photo sold for 10 cents. This was also the holiday season, during which I noticed a decline in downloads. A total of 21 photos and 3 videos were downloaded. Photos $3.65, videos $22.63. First video sold for $5.68. A panoramic drone view of the city of Fort de la Bastille in Grenoble. The second video sold for this location. Slowly but surely, the hotel stay from this trip is starting to pay off. The next one, $7.20, a sunny view of the Autoroute du Soleil in southern France, surrounded by fields. This is the most popular highway in France. $9.75, my bestseller video, a panoramic view of a high-speed TGV train crossing a long railway viaduct with the Vercors Mountains in the background. Shutterstock closed the month with $26.28 in total earnings. GettyImages iStock. For the first time since I uploading to Getty, one photo sold for an impressive $17.30. It was a panoramic view of a canal delivering seawater to artificial basins for salt production in Salin du Giroux, located on the Mediterranean coast. $3.75, a drone photo of apple trees covered with anti-hail nets in the sunlight. $2.65, a passenger ship passing under a metal bridge surrounded by dense morning fog. $2.15, a wind farm on the Rhone River, glowing in the sunlight with nearly foggy landscapes. GettyImages iStock earnings for December $33.96. Finally, the most profitable agency this month, Adobe Stock. In total, 162 assets were downloaded, 154 photos and illustrations generated $153.25. 8 videos brought in $46.61, which is a personal record for the number of video downloads in 1 month on Adobe Stock. My best sellers: an illustration of a runner under the Eiffel Tower in the morning, downloaded 20 times, earning a total of $45.19. $5.69, an illustration of a tennis player, downloaded 3 times. $3.30, an illustration of a red heart on a wall, downloaded twice. The first video, $2.80, a panoramic view of forests and the Vercors mountains, featuring my wife walking along a road. $3.50, a passenger TGV train crossing a viaduct and entering a tunnel. $3.91, a hidden waterfall, Chute de la Druise, nestled between forests. $8.40, 4 panoramic nighttime shots of the Basilica of Notre Dame in Lyon, likely purchased by the same client. Nighttime drone footage is proving to be popular, so I will definitely be doing more of it in the future. Adobe Stock earnings for December 2023 is $199.86. The summary of total earnings for December 2023 was $298.36, with Adobe Stock, GettyImages, and Shutterstock continuing to be the most reliable platform. While there are some months where revenue are higher, Adobe Stock performed exceptionally well this time. A total of 272 downloads is a quite good result for me. Comparing December 2022 to December 2023, the difference is massive, almost $272 more this year. Thank you so much for watching. This video wraps up 2023, and I will soon release a summary of the entire year. See you soon.